Do you think tabbouleh is a Bulgur salad? You're wrong. It's actually herb salad where parsley is the absolute star, drowning out the grains completely. Tabbouleh is a Levantine salad defined not by wheat, but by fresh parsley-soaked bulgur, tomatoes, mint, onions, olive oil, lemon juice, and salt. Let's look at the origin. This Middle Eastern dish primarily consists of finely chopped parsley as the main ingredient, with bulgur serving merely as a supporting texture. The flavor profile relies on a simple dressing of lemon and olive oil that highlights the herbs, making it a healthy Mediterranean staple rich in vitamins. Traditional recipes require you to chop loads of fresh parsley and mint first, then mix them with tomatoes, scallions, and a smaller amount of bulgur wheat. You can adapt this super flavorful salad by using quinoa instead of bulgur to make it gluten-free without losing its vibrant herbaceous character. Remember, despite the name suggesting wheat, true tabbouleh is a fresh salad where parsley is the primary component, not just an added garnish. Now you know that tabbouleh is mostly parsley. What is your favorite Middle Eastern dish? Tell us in the comments and subscribe for more culinary facts.